In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dynamic calendar in Google Sheets. We'll build a clean, reusable calendar that updates automatically when you change the month and year, and we'll speed things up by starting with a template generated by Claude AI. Before you begin, make sure your Google Drive is connected to Claude so you can easily access and export your files. That way, once the template is ready, you can bring it straight into Google Sheets without any extra steps. I'll start by typing a prompt asking Claude to create a simple, well-structured spreadsheet layout for a dynamic calendar with a selectable month and year, plus an automatically updating calendar grid. I'll also include the exact prompt in the video description so you can copy it directly and get the same result. When Claude returns the template, take a moment to review how it's organized. Understanding the structure now will make the customization much easier later. You'll typically see a spot for the month and year, space for the days of the week, and a calendar grid that responds to your selections. Next, copy the sample structure. Open Google Sheets and paste it into a new sheet, or use the Google Drive icon in the upper right to send it to your drive and open it from there. Once it's in Sheets, we can walk through how everything works. At the top, you'll have drop-downs for selecting the month and year. A dynamic calendar updates automatically based on what you choose, so you don't need to rebuild the grid each time. Below those controls, the calendar grid will display the correct dates for the selected month. Label the days of the week clearly so it's easy to scan. Each cell in the calendar can hold notes, events, or reminders. As you change the month or year, the calendar refreshes instantly, which means you can reuse the same sheet for different time periods without duplicating or reformatting. To make it easier to read, format the layout clearly and bold your headers. Adjust the column widths and row heights so the dates and notes fit comfortably. If you'd like, add simple color coding for weekends or important events to make key days stand out. You can also keep a separate section for notes or a task list alongside the calendar, so everything related to your schedule stays in one place. Using Claude AI jumpstarts the setup so you're not starting from a blank sheet, and Google Sheets gives you a flexible home for updating, organizing, and customizing your calendar anytime. And that's how to make a dynamic calendar in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.